Coming to you from that Canadian Lawn Guy channel, bringing you hedge trimming of a cedar bushes downtown Peterborough. Hope you enjoy. Hey, so I'm using my KM94 Stihl trimmer with the hedge trimmer attachment, and I have an extension on it. It's like the carbon fiber, so it makes it a little bit lighter, but whenever you put the extension on, it's always heavy. It's a lot easier just using the one hedge trimmer attachment. Anyways, we had a really busy week in Peterborough, Ontario, Canada, and this is just one of the jobs we did, and I just thought I'd make a quick video and show you how we made out. I keep looking back at certain points because I'm downtown Peterborough and I have my GoPro near the sidewalk, and I'm a little apprehensive that somebody might walk by and just take it. I'm not used to the Peterborough downtown area, so I'm a little bit nervous sometimes. Just would love to tell you a little bit about myself. I have two kids. My oldest is 9 years old. Her name is Kira, and my son is 7 years old. His name is Hayden. And I show them all my YouTube videos just so they can get across what I'm doing when I'm doing the editing. And I'm guessing because they're more tech savvy in the long run, that they can give me some pointers on how to make these videos better and more enjoyable for you guys out there. I've been running my business for about 10 years now full time, and I just absolutely love my job and couldn't imagine working for anybody else ever again. We live in Peterborough, Ontario, Canada, and we own a house, and we have a family cottage that we go to, and we just love to be outdoors, and we love to play hockey. That's a Canadian thing, and we love to play sports in the summertime as well, and we just love to camp a lot, and we just we're very fortunate people, and try to be positive and try to be generous to others whenever we can. I would like to make this a segment every YouTube channel just so you can hear what's going on in my life and just get to know me a little bit better. If you have any questions, make sure to leave in the comments after you've watched. If you have any questions about the video or questions about me, and I'd also probably ask you questions to get to know you guys better. I've had some recent new subscribers, really appreciate that. I'm not going to call them out, but don't worry, I definitely know who you are, and look forward to seeing you in the comments and checking out your content as well. Anyways, hope you enjoy this video. I'll check in at the end of the video, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. I was downtown at the YWCA Crossroads, and we took down a dead tree and then we trimmed these cedar bushes. Remember, when you're outside working tomorrow, that you appreciate how we get to be outside all the time as we work for a living, and maybe smile at somebody and try to make somebody's day tomorrow. It's all about helping each other out, especially during this COVID pandemic. Alright, guys, take care and see you on the next one. Stay tuned for that.
And that was another Canadian YouTube video, eh?